Are you drowning in tabs, emails, and to-do lists, spending hours on tasks that could be done in minutes? Well, here's the truth. You're not unproductive. You're under-automated. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful AIPRM extensions that feel like having a personal assistant in your browser. And the best part? They're free. Stick with me until the end, because the third one is an absolute game changer. First up, Compose AI. This extension is like ChatGPT living inside every text box on your browser. Once installed, just hit Ctrl+J or Command+J in any text field. Type what you need, and boom, the AI writes it for you. Need a professional-sounding email, a casual reply, a social post that actually gets engagement? Done, done, done. Say you get 15 emails a day, with Compose AI you can cut that down to under 10 minutes total. Multiply that over a week, that's hours saved. And it even learns your tone, so it sounds like you. Next, AIPRM for ChatGPT, a total productivity cheat code. If you use ChatGPT but struggle with prompts, this is for you. AIPRM gives you a full prompt library inside ChatGPT, marketing, SEO, writing, automation, just pick and go, no more what do I ask, paralysis. Need video ideas, SEO blog posts, a social media calendar, or email sequence? AIPRM has expert prompts for it all. You can even save your favorites and reuse them. Third, Superpower ChatGPT. It turns ChatGPT into an organized, powerful workspace. Search old chats, create folders, pin your best outputs, export full conversations, track your usage, save time every single day. Without Superpower, ChatGPT is chaos. With it, it's your personal knowledge base. Let's recap Compose AI, write like a pro in seconds. AIPRM instant prompts, no guesswork. Superpower ChatGPT, organize your AI brain. Stack all 3 and you'll write faster, think better, and never waste time repeating tasks again. If you got value from this video, hit like, subscribe to AI Hustle, and comment which tool you'll try first. New videos every week on turning AI into action. Don't forget to check out our next video, how I use AI to run a business solo, and follow AI Hustle for daily AI tips that save you time and make you money.